Hey YouTube, so today we're going to make a super simple fried squid dish. It's a super common dish in Korea, often had with beer. So after you make this, you can definitely enjoy it with a refreshing cold cup of beer. Here we have a evenly mixed 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of frying mixture. You're just coating your squid like so and placing them to the side on a plate. Just a pro tip, if you are using dry squid, then you can keep it in water, for warm water or hot water, for a little bit so that it gets softer and more fluid. But typically fresh squid or frozen squid that's defrosted is used for this. But either way it works, it doesn't matter which. I'm pouring in some water into that mixture. Once that's all made, I will start to put the squid that I have on the side into these so that I can get ready to fry them. Make sure that the consistency is correct, that you don't have lumps of flour, floating around in there. Here we're just dunking them in boiling oil. Make sure to monitor it because, frying things takes, 2.5 seconds. And here's the finished product. So enjoy with whatever you like. Dipping sauce that you see here, that's just soy sauce mixed with a little bit of vinegar and water. That's really important, the water part. And then I also have diced onions or chopped onions in there for some flavoring. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and follow for more. Bye guys!